Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. In this video, I'm going to show you how I saved over 93% shopping at Target. So no lie, I got almost $26 worth of products for $1.67 this evening. So I was pretty excited about that. I'm going to show you how I did that here in just a second. But as always, if you like the content of this video, I would like to ask that you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget that when I reach 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing a gift card giveaway. All right, so hopefully we can do that before the holidays. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do, go to your Target Circle app and look for the offer that says 10% off your in-store or pickup purchase. So this is a one-time use coupon and it will give you 10% off your purchase. So click that, make sure it's on your card. The first item that I grabbed tonight were these Yasso mint chocolate chip ice cream sandwiches. Now these are typically $5.29. They're on sale 2 for $4. But when you buy one, you will still get that $4 sale price. But it gets much, much better. There is a 20% off Target Circle offer. So make sure you clip that to your card and you'll see that 20% savings at checkout. So I paid $3.20 for this and Ibotta is giving $3 back, making these ice cream sandwiches just 20 cents for the box. So I would say that is a pretty awesome deal. Now, the next deal that I did was part of the buy 4 personal care products priced at $3.99 and up and get a $5 Target gift card. Okay, so I bought 3 packs of razors and this Dove Men shampoo. When I purchase all 4 items, it will give me a $5 gift card. But when you pair this with coupons and cashback, it becomes a phenomenal deal. All right, so the first thing I grabbed were these Bic Comfort 3 razors. So this has 6 different razor blades with it, and it was $5.99. There is a $4 digital coupon for this item, so it should make it $1.99. However, the Target system confuses me. So for some reason, I don't know if it's because it gives a gift card back, but for some reason, the system only took off $3.38, making the final cost of this one product $2.61. Stay with me though, because it gets a little bit better. All right, next up, I grabbed this Dove Men Plus Care shampoo and conditioner. It's a 2-in-1. I grabbed this because there were a couple of different offers on it. So this is priced at $4.39 regularly, but there is a 15% off Target Circle offer that you want to have clipped to your card. And then there is a $2 off any Dove Men Plus Care hair care coupon in the November 22nd Retail Me Not. So I paid a total of $1.89 for this shampoo and conditioner. The next thing that I grabbed were these Bic Soleil razors. I grabbed 2 packs of them. So these are priced at $4.99 each. And I had $3 off 1 internet printable coupons. So I went on to coupons.com and I printed out 2 separate coupons for $3 off. They both came off. So that made both of these a total of $3.98. Now, when I checked out, I got the 10% off. So I'm looking at my cheat sheet here so I don't mess it up. So that 10% off took another $1.81 off the total of my basket. So I paid $6.67 for all 4 of those items, but I got a $5 gift card back, making it just $1.67 for all of those items, which I thought was pretty awesome haul over at Target. Another thing that you want to be aware of is Target is doing their gift card savings promotion starting December 5th. So oftentimes Target will run a 10% off gift card promotion. It's just one day only. This year it starts on December 5th, and I believe this year it's running for 2 days. And you can buy up to $500 worth of gift cards, but you have to purchase them all in one transaction, okay? So you could purchase a $20 gift card and save 10%, or you could purchase up to $500 in gift cards and you'll save 10%. So if you're looking to give Target gift cards for Christmas presents, or you just want to use it to save yourself an extra 10%, be on the lookout for that Target Circle offer. You can go ahead and clip it now, but it won't start until December 5th. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I'm happy to help you out. I am fairly new to the couponing game at Target, so if you know why that $4 digital for the razors auto deducted just $3.38, let me know. I would love to know the rationale behind that. But I am super happy that I got $26 worth of products for like $1.70 something. Totally awesome deal. Hope you guys are having a great evening, and stay tuned for my future videos. Thanks.